Go to the Tools panel of Affinity Photo and select one of the shapes. I'm going to go to the ellipse and I'm going to apply it as a green ellipse circle. Now I'm just going to go to the paintbrush tool and I'm going to use the same colour green. You see there, go into the brushes and select a brush. I'm going to go with one of the sprays and splatters. If you can't find the brush panel, it's in the view menu and studio. And apply it. Now it's the same colour, of course, you can just subtly see it there, applied there. However, what you can do, you can go over here and you can see it's a layer. You can go to the effects. Just click there and bring up that and go for 3D. And you can now see you've got this texture, this three-dimensional depth to your thing. And you can still continue to add if you want to. You can just simply apply additional brush strokes and then close. Of course, you can also vary it, modify direction, etc. if you want to just change it subtly, like that. Now, I don't want the black to appear there. I just want it to be about there and close. But what you can also do, just go there and select and duplicate. So layer and duplicate, and you can move it around. So create another layer, you can resize, and of course you can still continue to apply additional brush strokes. Maybe vary the designs. You don't have to use that one, maybe use a different one. So simply add that on top, and you can see you get additional depth to this. Also what you can do, go down to effects, and you click there, you've got 3D, you can modify the radius, maybe make it slightly different. Maybe change that, change some of the other settings, up to you. What you can also do, go there to the move tool, select the ellipse, and then you can move it around, you can resize. So that depth, that three-dimensional design is attached to that circle, or of course any other shape as well. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.